How is sickle cell disease inherited through DNA? Imagine your genes as a set of instructions passed down from your parents that shape who you are. Sickle cell disease is inherited through these instructions in a specific way called autosomal recessive inheritance. This means a person needs to inherit two copies of a mutated gene to have the disease. The gene involved is called the hemoglobin beta gene, or HBB, which is located on chromosome 11. This gene provides instructions for making a part of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout your body. In sickle cell disease, a mutation in the HBB gene causes the production of abnormal hemoglobin, known as hemoglobin S or HbS. When hemoglobin S is present, it causes red blood cells to become shaped like crescents or sickles instead of round discs. These sickle-shaped cells can stick together and block blood flow, leading to pain and other health problems. Each person has two copies of the HBB gene, one inherited from their mother and one from their father. If someone inherits two normal genes, they will not have sickle cell disease. If they inherit one normal gene and one sickle cell gene, they are called carriers or have sickle cell trait. Carriers usually do not experience symptoms but can pass the sickle cell gene to their children. When both parents are carriers, there is a 1 in 4 chance that their child will inherit two sickle cell genes and have sickle cell disease. There is a 1 in 2 chance that the child will inherit one sickle cell gene and one normal gene, making them a carrier without symptoms. And there is a 1 in 4 chance that the child will inherit two normal genes and not have the disease or be a carrier. If one parent has sickle cell disease, meaning they have two sickle cell genes, and the other parent is a carrier, each child has a 50-50 chance of inheriting the disease or being a carrier. The severity of sickle cell disease can vary depending on the specific mutations inherited. The most common and severe form is called hemoglobin SS, where both genes are sickle variants. Other forms, like hemoglobin SC or sickle beta thalassemia, involve different combinations of abnormal hemoglobin genes and can cause milder symptoms. In summary, sickle cell disease is inherited when a child receives two copies of the sickle cell gene through DNA from their parents. Carriers have only one copy and usually do not have symptoms but can pass the gene on. Understanding this pattern helps families and healthcare providers plan for testing, counseling, and management. If you or your family are at risk, consulting a healthcare professional or genetic counselor can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation.